Hello guys, today I'm going to be making some slime, and these are the ingredients you're going to need. So first you're going to need something to mix in. I'm just using a butter tub to mix with. I'm using a mechanical pencil. It's broken, so yeah, no worries. I'll work with it. And the third thing you're going to be needing is some body wash. You don't have to have this body wash. Some people use Dove. I think that looks better, but I don't have Dove, so I'm just going to use this. And the first thing you're going to be needing is the fourth thing you're going to be needing is hand soap. I'm using soft soap. First, you're gonna get your mixing utensil, and then now you're gonna get your hand soap, so soft, and pour a little bit. That much. Then you're gonna add your body wash. Add just a little bit more than what you did on the mix them both